Hi, I'm Dan with India Street Antiques, and we're going to show you what Howard's Restor-A-Finish can do to a product. Here it has already been completed, and if you notice, all the discoloration and dirt is gone. On this one, I'm going to do it right in front of your eyes. So we're going to take a little of the Howard's, and here's a little area on the foot that has discoloration, and we're just going to put it on a brush, and we're going to brush it. And we're going to do the other foot and the front. There's a little discoloration on this top, and we're going to use the same technique. We're just going to apply it with a brush. This is just a furniture polish, not a refinisher. And we're just going to go over it like that. We're going to take a clean, soft rag, and we're going to wipe it. And as you can see, all the original coloring is coming back. And if you look up here, we'll do it a little on this edge. So I'm going to do the edge, the top. We kind of wipe that around. That little discoloration's already going away. Do a little more here. And it's a quick, easy solution to a lot of problems. I'm Dan with India Street Antiques in San Diego, California.